In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your Opera Mini browser to the latest version. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, for you to be able to update Opera Mini, you'll need first to access the app through either Google Play Store or App Store on your smartphone. Now, to update this app, you'll need to access the app either through Google Play Store if you are on Android smartphone or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android and therefore I'll go ahead and look for the app through Google Play Store. So if I go ahead and tap on Play Store here, I'll have an option to go ahead and search for the app, and for this case I'll search for the app, and here is my Opera Mini browser. I'll tap on it, and to update it you'll see we have an option here for update if you are using an outdated version. For my case, I already have an up-to-date version, that's why it is written open. For your case, if you can see update here, go ahead and tap on update, and then this will go ahead and download the latest version of this app and install it. Once you have installed, you'll now have the latest version of Opera Mini app. So that's how you update your app, by following these simple steps. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.